Okay, I have to wake up Shelly. She's sleeping with a stuffed animal. Stuffed animal. Shelly. 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 Billy said hi. Billy said hi. Shelly. Billy said hi.
Okay.
What do you want me to tell him? Do you want me to tell him hi? No? Are you sure? Shelly. Billy said hi. Say goodnight, Shelly. Say good. Okay. There you go.